guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. I'm Tensi Yankee and Samulo Testele. So in today's video, as you all know by the title, so we have graduation ceremony. So we're gonna attend that, and we are like supposed to wear white saris, and I don't have a sari and I couldn't arrange it, so I have my kurta, which is very simple. So we're gonna attend that and I will show you how it's going to be, and I'm so excited. So keep watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. And yeah. Samulo, sana ang dulis ra. Refreshment chicks ra. And the side naman. I forgot the lyrics.
Alan, Prajwal, Samia Seher, Aisha Amra, Rahul, Insha. Congratulations, guys. Thank you all. I, Priyanka, signing off. Have a great day. Arising from Kollegal, the name of the luckiest day is in my name. Vigmalano. Calm and gentle, sweet and serene, personified into this one being, and we call them the awesome threesome. Tensi Yankee. New beginning from Miss to Mrs. must not stop you from achieving your dreams and aspirations. Dream big and live your dreams. Sabah Yasmin. Thank you.
Take it out. We are done with formal ceremony and stuff, but now we are going to have informal ceremony and class white dress.
This is a happy note and sad note. A sad note because you are leaving the college and will not be here with us the following year, in the following days to come, which is sad. We're definitely going to miss you. It is a happy note because you are starting a new phase of your life. So you've completed this phase and starting on a new phase, a new journey, new hopes and new aspirations. So long journey ahead. So that's a happy note because it's a new beginning.